Thursday marked the 42nd anniversary of Roe v. Wade, which legalized abortion across the country. Pro-choice supporters gathered with signs on a busy street corner in honor of a woman's right to choose.
I really think that our thing here today is not about abortion. It's about a woman's choice to choose. And if a woman chooses to determine when she has children and if she has children, I think that's her right. And it's part of basic health care. It's been 42 years and we're still fighting this battle. And I'm not sure why that is. And when do people finally determine that, it's the law, it's my body, it's my choice.
Pro-life advocates held their own peaceful protest against abortion as they believe pregnancy is sacred.
If God, who is the author of life, placed that child in the mother's womb, then we don't have the right to remove that. That's God's choosing as He opens and closes the womb.
You think about an argument, that a woman has a right to her own body. True, but a baby is another body inside her body. It's not part of her body.
It's important to me because I'm a woman. I have 2 daughters. I've known people who suffered through the indignity of having someone else tell them what they can or cannot do, which is wrong. Any decision like this would be between myself and my physician.
Women should have a private right to control their own body, and that ruling should stand and not be altered and changed by mostly men, mostly Republicans in Congress.
While the Supreme Court ruling does give women the freedom to choose under law, opponents stand up for the rights of the unborn child.
Recently we're seeing about Black Lives Matter, Police Lives Matter. In reality, all lives matter. And it's kind of interesting where people will talk about life mattering, but then when it comes to an unborn child, it doesn't matter.
I have 4 daughters and 2 granddaughters, and they're strong, intelligent women. And I leave it to them with a strong understanding that they will make good choices. They don't need a Congress or anyone else to make those decisions for them.
I had a premature child. My first child was born at 29 weeks. And I looked at her and I'm thinking, wow, people are taking the lives of children that were almost at the same age. So I feel very attached to the unborn.
In Utah, abortion is legal. According to Planned Parenthood, there are at least 2 licensed clinics statewide that will perform the procedure.
It's important that Utah get in step with the rest of the country. The legislature doesn't support equal pay, doesn't support an increase in the minimum wage, and it's continually trying to water down the women's right to choose. It's a constant battle, and you must remain forever vigilant.
In St. George, Liana Bergeron, KCSG, St. George News.